As I mentioned before, we could add some text inside of any shapes with closed region. So I make a circle, hold on the shift key and drag to make a perfect circle, and start typing sample text, and I will make it larger. Okay. Note that after adding text on the shape format, now we have text options tab too. Here we have features such as the vertical alignment, directions, and do not rotate with text or do. If I rotate, it will rotate. If I disable, it will be stabled here. And one cool feature we have inside of shapes is on the word art style, text effects, we have transform. You could use follow path, even working on the extra opened. We have warp. I use something like that as an example. You see, now even I could use the text direction even there. And order of the line, right to left, left to right. And note that we have orangish circle there, which I could grab it and define the path amount. If I make it less, it will get shrinkage. And if I increase it by dragging, it will get larger until reach to the actual text size. And note that if I start clicking, immediately after that, you will see the regular text editing, depends on your text direction. And if I click anywhere else, it will update and show the final result. Still, we have many features, as you know. If I right click and go to the more layout options or use from the ribbon, we have text wrapping, we have the positioning, and we have the size. As an example here, by default my circle, it is not locked aspect ratio. So if I grab the corner, I could resize it and destruct the perfect circle. But if I go again, position and more layouts, I could go to the size, click lock aspect ratio, okay. And now if I grab the corner, it won't destruct my perfect circular shape. But note that it is only working for the corners. So if I grab the edge, again gonna break it.